Hello, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm playing this. Okay, I haven't done this in a long time. This is Minecraft inside of Roblox. I am very confused. Okay. Somebody explain what is happening because I'm very confused. Help. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing a test to see if people will bully me of how I look. So let me just okay, that won't work. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go. This is what my avatar looks like right now. And I have Discord up here as well right now. I'm gonna go back here. Um, let's see here. No. Okay, so my avatar looks like this. I look like this person right now. And I'm gonna go to my workplace and see if this will work. I hope it works, because if it doesn't, I'll be disappointed. Okay. I hope my microphone's connected yet. Oh, finally it can move. Okay. So, we're loading in now. Okay, I'm gonna go to my friend. Okay. She's not available. Need to find someone else. Lily Trustcott uploaded a video. I don't care. She looks like someone who would not care. Okay, this person. Perfect. Hi. One time I tried doing this without recording, and some guy said I was hot. So, oh my god. His outfit is Mia Khalifa. Well, no, that's not Mia Khalifa. Ew. Excuse me? What did you just say? Why are you... Why am I what? This is actually the first time it worked. Oh my god, I'm happy. I'm sorry for raping your ears, but this is really sad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Uh, I'm both. Excuse me. Both. I'm really scared of what the reaction is because that's terrible. The heck? Help. Help. I'm a single gender. Good for you. I'm a supervisor now. Yay! Congratulations. Okay. I need to find some more people and see if there will be any other reactions. Okay. We have theater. There's this. So far, one person has been really awful. Great. There's flying notes in the air. Alright. Let's see. Oh, he's here. Making that little face so he goes away. Just kick him? He wants me to kick him. Okay, Warn Invinci. I guess they always miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I guess he doesn't kiss you, moi. Okay. It's time. I must go because I think this only works for one person, but it's okay. Bam, bam, bam. What happens if I just say hi to him? Hi. Same. Okay, next person. Somebody. Somebody make fun of me, I dare you. Oh, okay, this is perfect. This is perfect. Hi. I have a feeling she's gonna make fun of me. I'm just gonna say hi. Hi, Star. Who are you? I'm Zoe. Oh, great, my dad's home. Okay. Continue. Oh, hi, by the way, I wasn't saying fat to ya. What? Someone else called me. Okay, well, I guess she won't be mean then. I think that's all for today because I have to go. Bye.